Hello everybody, welcome back to Data Analysis with Python and Pandas. For this week, our learning objectives are append data frames, write to an Excel external file, and read from a CSV file. Let's say we have this Excel file which has two tabs, 11B for marks of 11B section and 11C where we have marks for an 11C section. Okay, we want to combine these two data sheets into one data. Okay, so that's what we're going to do. We're going to combine both data sets into one data set. All right, so let's log in into Azure Notebooks and start a new project. Call it week 7. And then upload the data file. Which is marks. It's an Excel file. And then create a notebook. Call it week 7. Now we're going to write code to open both data sets. So first of all, import pandas as ed data 11b, let's say for the 11b section. So we're going to open the marks Excel file, and for the first data set we're going to specify sheet name equals 11B. Same thing, data 11C equals ed marks.xlsx sheet name 11C. Let's look at the data. So data 11e.head, data 11c head. Should be capital B. All right. Data 11B. Let's make sure everything is okay. So we can see 11B and 11C. Alright. Now as you can see, both data sets have the same structure, which means they have the same columns, same column names, data types, and everything. Otherwise we wouldn't be able to combine them. So if they don't have the same structure, there's no reason why we should combine them. Okay, So to combine both data sets into one data set, you would say, for example, give the new data set just 11, data 11, which means, for both sections, equals, you start with the first one, so data 11b dot append. Append means add to the end. Okay, so we're going to append 11c to 11b. So the new data set will have first the rows of 11b and then the rows of 11c. So dot append and then data 11c. Let's do that. Okay. Now 11c is appended to 11b and the data is stored or saved in data 11. Let's look at data 11, see if that's correct. Dot head, let's say 40. We want to see all records. Oh, sorry, data 11. Okay, so as you can see, the new data set, which is data 11, has all the students from B followed by all the students from C. Alright, so after combining both data sets into one data set using the append command, we want to write this new data or the combined data set into an external Excel file. Okay, file that's different from the one that we started with. We read the data from a file called marks.xlsx. Let's say we want to create a new data or a new Excel file called grade 11 marks and write the new data set into that file. To do that, we're going to create an external file using the function Excel writer. Okay, so writer, this is just the name. You can write anything here, you can call it anything. Okay, just like we did here, data 11b or data 11c. This is just a variable name. So writer equals pd dot Excel writer. Okay, this is the function name, and then you give it a name, grade 11 marks, for example, dot xlsx. So we're creating a new Excel file. Okay, and then we write this data set into that file. The data set was called data 11 dot to Excel, and then the writer object, which is this writer, and then the sheet name that you want to write to, comma, the sheet name in this case is sheet 1, and then to save the changes, writer dot save. Let's run that. Okay, since we have a number here, it means it was successful writing to that Excel file. Alright, let's see where that file is. So let's go back to projects, and then our project, and this is where our file is. Okay, so this file was not there. Then you can download this file. Okay, now let's do something else. So this is our file that we were able to create. Let's say we want to download this. You select the file and then you click on the download button. It will download it to your downloads folder. Okay, and this is our file. Okay. Next, we're going to learn how to read from a comma-separated file. What's a comma-separated file? You know, it's a format that's used quite often. It looks like a text file. It has, you know, column names at the top, and then one row for each row of data. Okay, one line for each row of data, and the values are separated by a comma. That's why it's called a comma separated file. Okay, you can create this file from Excel or databases, for example. Okay, so let's say we want to upload this file and read it just like we read the Excel file. So let's go back to notebooks, upload the file. Okay, this is our file, grade 11 marks.csv. Upload it, and then go back to our notebook and this time we're going to use the read CSV. Okay, let's say data equals pd dot read underscore CSV. Before we do that, let's make sure that, you know, just in case, import pandas as pd, and then the name of the file, grade 11 marks dot CSV, data dot head. See if that works. Alright, so as you can see, you can read from a CSV file the same way you read from an Excel file. Okay, and CSV files are quite common because, you know, they work on all machines. You don't need Excel to open this file. Okay, you can use text editor like Notepad to create that file, which makes it, you know, very handy. And that's it for this week. So we learned how to append a data set to another data set. We learned how to write a data set to a new Excel file, and we learned how to read from a comma separated file or CSV file. Alright, I'm going to leave you an assignment to repeat what we did today, so it will be very similar to what we did today. Appending, writing to external file, and then reading from a CSV file. Hope you stay safe, and goodbye.